In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for teachers. If you are an educator looking to streamline lesson planning and keep your classes organized, Notion can be a powerful, flexible workspace. We'll focus on two essentials: choosing the right starting point with templates and building a clean, navigable structure with pages so you always know where things live. First, let's use the template picker in the sidebar. Open Notion and look to the left. You'll see the Templates option. Click it. Then select the school category. Here, you'll find pre-made layouts for lesson plans, reading lists, and syllabi. These templates are designed to save you time. Click a template to preview it, and when you are ready, add it to your workspace. Once it's in, make it your own. Rename the page to match your class or unit and tailor the sections so they fit how you teach. For a lesson plan template, you might adjust headings like objectives, materials, activities, and assessment to match your style. For a reading list, tweak the sections for titles, authors, pages, and notes. For a syllabus, update course descriptions, grading policies, and schedules. The key is to keep the structure consistent so you can quickly duplicate it for each new week or topic. If you like a particular layout, create a clean version you can copy and reuse, so you never start from scratch. Next, organize by pages to maintain a clear structure. Create a main folder named School. In Notion, that means making a top-level page called School that will act like your hub. Inside it, add individual subpages for each class or subject. Give each class page a clear, consistent name, like Algebra I or Grade 8 Science, so everything is easy to find at a glance. You can drag and drop pages in the sidebar to keep your most active classes near the top. To make navigation faster, add short descriptions at the top of each class page, such as the term dates or contact hours. Then, move the templates you added, lesson plans, reading lists, and syllabi, into the appropriate class subpages. This way, each subject has its own home with all related materials neatly nested. If you teach multiple sections of the same course, duplicate the class page or the relevant templates and rename them for each section to stay consistent. That's it for getting set up in a practical, teacher-friendly way. Build with templates, then keep everything tidy with pages. Thanks for watching.